Agentic AI or AI agents. If you don't know what AI agents are, definitely you're backward in your tech or IT career. Every IT professional or every tech professional needs to know about what AI agents are and how to create AI agents. This is going to be an essential skills that should be added in your CV or resume going forward. See, whatever the job function that you are, whatever the work that you do in your organization, it doesn't matter. You should definitely know about AI agents. I have already made a video earlier on the same YouTube channel about what are AI agents, how to create AI agents. In this video, I will share where to create AI agents. There are many tools or many websites out there that will help you to create AI agents from scratch. In this video, I will suggest 5 of them, which are renowned and more popular. The first in the list is N8N. So this is the most popular AI agent creation platform. You can create AI workflows from scratch here. It is user friendly and you can create any agent from scratch. So if you want to automate any area, any functionality in your organization, or if you want to eliminate repetitive work, so this is a place that you should go for. And you can connect with external sources here, you can connect with internal sources here, you can literally automate anything from scratch using this N8N. So this is the most widely used AI agent creation platform. And the second in the list is Zapier. Zapier is not something very new, it's old. So Zapier is famous for workflow automations even in the past, but because of this AI agent trend, it has become more popular now. You can literally automate anything using Zapier, and instantly you can do it instantly. It has wide variety of use cases, it has inbuilt templates as well. You don't need to build agent from scratch. If you feel one of the template is doing your work, you can just use it directly. So that is a good thing with Zapier. You can literally see many different templates in Zapier, because Zapier has already marketing automation. Zapier already has many of the developer related automation functionalities that you can use. So you can see some of the like agent templates as well. So brand guidelines agent, automated lead capture agent, sales lead emails agent. There were many different inbuilt agents. You can use one of them if you wish to. And number 3 is make.com. So it's also a similar thing. You can literally create and manage AI and automation systems here. You can literally automate your entire business from scratch using this make.com automation workflows. Number 4 is pipe dream. With a prompt, you can literally create an agent that will do your work or that will automate your work here. So one good thing about pipe dream is like it's very user friendly and simple to use. And number 5 and last in the list is flowfuse.com. In Flowfuse, you can also have Node-RED integration. With the combo of Flowfuse and Node-RED, you can create and automate workflows instantly. So these are all the 5 tools or 5 websites you can use to create AI agents from scratch. You don't need a lot of knowledge here. You don't need a lot of technical expertise or coding knowledge here. Everyone can start and create AI agents from scratch using these 5 websites. So these are all most popular, and you can integrate to any of your internal resources or external sources easily as well. That's one advantage you will get by using these platforms. So having a knowledge of how to create AI agents is going essential skill, as I said. So yeah, I will also share all those links in the description. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. For more such related content on AI, please make sure you subscribe to the channel.